welcome to another episode of Toy Games and Share Boy. Back again. I'm on the train, but this train problem is Cypress Hill, train that I didn't catch. It's brake problem, so it's stuck there, and I'm stuck here. I'm not gonna make it to the place I need to be on time, and this place is harder. Why is it doing this? Why is there train issues? Why is the train broken? Even if I cut the train out, it's still been the same, because this train got stuck going in front of us. Oh man. I need to get places. Man, the train's broken. Oh, can you help me? Sure. They fixed it. He said something. Close the doors.
We get permission first, partner.
Yeah. We're good. About to move. Yeah. So after half an hour, finally getting places. The way I'll make it on time right now. I'll get there when I get there. But I'm gonna do this. Oh well. It's happening. It's the only way I can get to where I need to be. I Google Maps. The only way to get there. That's the way from where I'm from. There's no other alternative. So yeah. So hopefully I'll get there. I'll get there. Sucks. Oh well. What can I do? I can't control it. Just got to deal with it and face the fact that the train broke and they fixed it and we're moving.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. Keep it together.
Started moving that time. We were definitely moving. Alright, last kid. We're not fast forward. That's the train actually going. Flying. It's flying up the hills. But I like making me say time. Yeah, we got ready for this last train, then we're good. Get on the second, and then we're almost there. 3 stops away. Great. Walked in, we made it. We have 2 minutes, so we'll make it. I told him yesterday too. Look at him standing there. Looking for a talented manager. Pay Sandy Waxman. And it's a movie? What is this thing? Yeah, it's a movie. It's on Netflix. See the thing on the side. I thought it was a website at first, but it's a movie. I should go check it out. Looks cool. Check it out. These days. Alright, we're almost there. So yeah, we're almost there. Good. Oh, damn train. Why did I have to brake? I don't know, but I was. I hope they fix the issue. Tomorrow doesn't happen the same thing. I didn't be here tomorrow again, so hopefully tomorrow goes smoother than today. Yeah, I forgot my butterscotch candy. I took it out if I could take it if I can remember. I left it on my computer. Now I want one. What's wrong with me? I didn't throw it in my bag. I should throw some in my backpack. And when I want, I have, because I was taking my bag. I can't believe it. Oh well. Just gonna have to wait till light in the mood to. We made it, yes. For all that time, I had delays. I'm gonna call it delay now. That's Jay had a delay. I know the breakdown. Yeah, it was a breakdown. Had a breakdown, but we're here. Yes. Let's go inside.
See it, pal. Everyone's inside. Go ahead. See everyone right into the auditorium.
Yeah.
Good morning.
He was on a bad train where the train in front had brake issues, and I'm glad you're here safely. That's all we care about. Good morning.
Yes, thank you for being here.
Good?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, thank you.
So I think I'm off duty here. Let's go see. I was just moving the stuff.
Alright, we're gonna call check now. Done at that thing now, and we better be there back tomorrow. Gonna get some lunch, and then let's take a time to kill, so I'm gonna just walk smooth. I'll get there. Love my free donut. Best thing ever. Every 8 seconds. I still have this one go. But good. Yeah. See what it is, boy. How we do it? We don't walk. We walk on the street. Savage, boy. Hey, savage, boy. Savage on the street, boy. Cars coming any second. Hey, I get myself drinks. Doesn't let me because I'm thirsty. There's thirst needs to be covered, so I'm gonna get a drink. There's 2 days, people. 2 days until I get my new phone. We're talking, people. Bezel-less, people. Everything on it is gonna be great. Bezel-less phone, wireless charging, USB-C, everything you want. I'm excited. My joyfulness is coming into joyness. For the train to come, if I can get on it, we can start going home because I gotta wait for the train, but the train's taking too long. So we're gonna wait for the train, and once the train gets, we're gonna hop on and get on. You have to pay, usually packed, and I won't ride it, but it's comfortable in this seats and everything. I doubt that I might send the whole ride, but I'm used to it, so it's gonna be the huge. Dog here for a walk. Nobody took him out and he was complaining. My brother's home, he should be home. My sister. And they didn't walk him out. They just left him. At least he should be home. I didn't hear anybody, but I was upstairs for not that long because we wanted to go outside. I said, fine, let's go take him outside for things anymore. So, hey, stop licking the floor. Licking the floor and let's just keep moving. Floor's not meant for licking. Okay, meant for walking. Home, finish walking the dog. But eat some food and fill up my tummy. Better go find this remote to change the channel. If I could find the remote, put on some Cartoon Network. That'll be lit. But I don't know what's the remote. Oh, I know you can't see me. Damn lighting. It's terrible. Alright, we'll give it a little bit. Got an unboxing. That was a quick video on an adapter that I bought. It's here. And what it is basically a USB type C, you can see there, to headphone jack. So yeah, because I get it in the G6 this Friday, so I had to be prepared. So yeah, let's look at it close up. So yeah, let's see if we can get this thing off. Forgot how much I paid for this. I didn't pay much. I don't think I paid much. Alright, it's annoying. The ghost. First, yeah. First I'm ever holding anything with USB-C on it. Hey. So yeah, look, there's, you can see on this end, we got USB-C. At the other end, we got a headphone jack. I become like Apple. I'm one of those people with adapters. But I only need this when my headphones die. Let me see if I can see how it looks with my headphone wire plugged in. I found it. That's right here. First, I'm do some. Oops. Alright, let the logins get back. So, got the adapter here and it just plugs into here. And that's how it looks. Plug this to my LG when I get it. I know the Samsung Galaxy, but I don't want to wait for it. It's out. I don't want to wait for it. And then this plugs into my headphone. It's lit, people. It is L-I-T-T. Lit. Ah, shit again. Somebody contact Kylie Jenner for me. God damn. That's what I need in my life, something like that. Oh shit, then I'll be perfect with that, boy. She needs to come and get on me. Fuck Tiger. Tiger screwed up. Shit. Look at that, boy. She can get on me. Fact, though. It's a fact. It's a fact. Stamps look good. Switch. Yeah, we're big about me. And you're no Quavo, whatever. Got my cup. Gonna fill up with a drink, making my iced tea for tomorrow. And look. Satisfying watch. If it doesn't want to come down anymore. Huh? See this satisfyingness. Give a sip. Put it a little. Put it on top. Okay. Look at that go. You look cool. Oh man, satisfying. Looks cooler. Look at that. Throw a little bit more. Should be it. Wait. And we let it. Look at this. Soak in the cup. As it falls down. It should be enough. Go in here. Next, you got this. Here. Let that fill up. And when that fills up, we just grab this cup. Make some for me. For now. One. One. Just a cup. It's too much. But I'm gonna get the water from the fridge. This is getting it from here because this is going to the fridge. It's staying overnight. So I'm gonna get the one from the fridge to fill this up. It's gonna be nice. 2, 1. Close this up. And now we gotta shake it. Make you get a good shake. So we'll make sure the sugar blends in. I usually check the bottom, as you can see. If you see that, sugar. We want to shake it, mix it up and down. Then you bang the wall, knock on the door, and you check again. See? Not so much. Then you put it in the fridge and you can finish the shaking off tomorrow. Put this here like so. Grab this water. Grab this water first. And now we can pour this sucker. My DIY commercial. Too much water. Won't be able to mix it. That's why it has a line for it. Gotta stop at the line. Now one more. Too late. See, all this water would have been splashing before. This. Then you want to mix it the other way. Reverse it. Get all that sugar out. blend it in. Cause you can see it's gonna fall, and you don't want that. You don't want none of that. But look at it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, it's not as much. But if you really want to finish it off, just go ahead. But you should be okay to drink it. Yeah, it's good. Time to put the drink in the fridge. You know what I noticed? I wonder what happened to my straw. I used to have a straw. But, oh, here it is. There, man. Found it. It was in the cabinet. I was wondering. Give it a good clean, and go back. Let me get it clean real quick. Throw some soap in there, and wash out all that soap. You don't want no soap. How you trying to get killed? Probably there's not much soap in there. All that soap out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, good. So this is iced tea I made. Light and tasty. Let's go. Room. This got it to work. Yo, look at this. Got it to work. It's crazy lit. My phone died, so I didn't vlog last night. I'm in here. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.